Alrighty, well today we're going to show you how to get this onto the screen up there. Okay, so first you're going to want to make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, you're just going to have to change them to where they're on the same one. Anyway, you scroll down for your quick menu here. And we're going to go over to, yeah, I cannot read it. My daughter must have this thing turned down. Cast to screen. We're going to go to settings here. It says searching for devices, but I don't know. No nearby devices found. Uh-oh. Okay, once that pops up, go on network. Make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi network. And then you're going to connect to devices. And then you're going to come down here to change connection preferences to cast. You got to go up here to these three dots here. And you got to enable the wireless display. No check mark in the box, so we just have to check mark that box. And then now we can go to the 55-inch. Now you can see up there, we have the option to allow. So we're going to take our remote, and we're going to hit the OK button. It'll say pairing. And then bada bing, bada boom, it's starting the video from my tablet, which we're on the cast screen. So now if I go back to my desktop, it'll be on the desktop. And does the donor have any games on here? She does not. Well, if she had games on here, we would be able to play games. There we go. She's connected. It's probably worth noting that when you're done, take that back down here, and we'll head over to the screencast, and we'll click that to turn that off. We'll hit disconnect, and now we're no longer showing on the screen. So turn it on, turn it off. That's how you do it.